Okay, so we're just finishing up systems today, and you have learned 3 methods to solve a system. They are graphing, substitution, and elimination. We did graphing when we were back at school, and we did play around with the calculator a little bit when we were doing some word problems. So I want you to kind of remember that the graphing calculator is an option if you're going to use graphing. In order to use graphing, you have to have y equals, so they both would have to have be equal to y. It's not the only method that can be used, but it is helpful for some of these. So let's just refresh your memory. If we are going to graph, we're going to go to our menu, and on this calculator, it's 5 for graphing. We should get this window coming up. You want y's over here, and we want to type in our equations. They're going to be 2/3 x minus 6, so I'm going to hit the fraction key. 2, toggle down, thirds, toggle over x minus 6, and then execute. And then we're going to do negative 1/2, so another fraction, x, and then it's plus 1. So we want to see if these two, and hit execute again, if these two equations will indeed cross each other at one point, no points, or infinitely many points. So we want to definitely draw this just to remind yourself. Your calculator might have been used when our window was kind of crazy. So we're going to view our window, which is up here. We're going to hit Shift and then F3. And we want to go to the standard. And some of you say the word standard, some just say STD. So hit F3, and it should give you the -10 to 10 like mine. Okay, we want to exit that window. So hit exit, and then we hit and draw. And you can see that those two equations do intersect. They have one point in common. That would be the solution, because that point would work both in the red line and the blue line. To find that, we're going to hit G-solve, which is Shift F5. And we're actually trying to figure out where they intersect. So we hit F5 again. And it gives you the solution. So we know the solution is 6, -2. That is how you can do it on your graphing calculator. You can also take pencil and graph paper, graph those two lines, and make sure you're just drawing straight lines and see where they intersect. That is one of the options. All right, sounds awesome.